Hello everybody and welcome back to Investing Guide. Crypto is seeing some very strange and unexpected performances recently. Since the sector-wide dig-up during the pandemic, decentralized finance is slowly climbing back up, but with new contenders looking to take the throne. Ethereum and Bitcoin are no longer sitting that far ahead as kings of the crypto market. Cardano is starting to enter onto a lot of people's radars as it is rumored to sweep up and reach a $1,000 trading price per coin. This is a brilliant investment opportunity that you definitely should be considering. Today we're going to be taking a very close look at Cardano. This crypto asset is rumored to see some huge growth in the near future. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video, as we've got to cover every aspect of the Cardano offering in order to determine whether it is actually as good of an investment as some are claiming. Cardano has actually been around since 2017. Developed by a co-founder of Ethereum that left due to some serious disagreements, mainly on the basis of wanting to accept venture capital and run Ethereum as a for-profit entity. Upon leaving Ethereum, Cardano, the public blockchain platform, was born. Based in Switzerland, the blockchain is both open source and decentralized, operating on the Ethereum proof-of-stake mentality, highly attractive to new investors as seen from the meteoric rise of Ethereum since prioritizing the proof-of-stake model. However, Cardano has taken a close look at other major issues faced by major cryptocurrencies, and was designed around those. The Cardano project utilized design principles that focused on scalability, interoperability, and regulatory compliance, also borrowing heavily from both Bitcoin in the settlement layer and the process of tracking transactions, as well as Ethereum through the computational layer in the usage of its smart contracts and other applications on the platform. The borrowing of this tech has given Cardano the best of both worlds. The team claims that it isn't as slow and inflexible as Bitcoin, but it is still safer and more scalable than Ethereum. Hitting the open market, Cardano had an initial market cap of around 600 million, rising and falling with the global crypto trends and currently trading at around the $1.4 per coin mark. This makes the $1,000 rumored prediction all the more exciting. Since its creation, Cardano is often considered as one of the top 10 cryptos on the planet, although it is seriously lacking in terms of usability and availability, especially in comparison to other lesser-known offerings like Litecoin, for example. The previous performance and operation of Cardano led many to estimate a $100 trading price by the end of 2021. But the recent mainstream interest in crypto finance, alongside some very exciting news from the Cardano project, has apparently led many experts to revise their estimations and claim a potential $1,000 share price by the end of 2021. These sorts of predictions have made a huge buzz around the decentralized finance world, a buzz that we cannot ignore. A closer look at the price history reveals that Cardano was actually trading for around 20 cents at the start of 2021, reaching 36 cents by the end of January, further rising to $1.32 in February. Fluctuating around the share price through April, investors were clearly looking for more announcements and an increasing amount of use cases. Recent trends definitely indicate a rise for Cardano, considering most recently the offering reached an all-time high of $2.46 across the month of May. Consider the climb and fall to the current $1.40 trading price. This growth is a great indicator of future performance. It should also be noted that as opposed to some of the extremely bloated and static crypto projects available, Cardano is still actually growing, and at an extremely lucrative rate. Combine this with the heavy basis on the fact that Cardano is well shaped around both Bitcoin and Ethereum. That $1,000 price prediction by the end of 2021 does not seem so far-fetched anymore. Currently, the major obstacle stopping the Cardano trading price from skyrocketing is the lack of adoption. The currency is only as strong as its purchasing power. Bitcoin is treated as a commodity, similar to gold. Ethereum has created a healthy ecosystem, expanding its use cases through traditional financial instruments in the DeFi space. But Cardano is yet to fully realize its niche usage. Big news recently was Elon Musk was no longer accepting payment for Tesla vehicles in Bitcoin. This led to a sharp dip in the trading price per Bitcoin.
Elon Musk tweeted that the electric vehicle maker would suspend car purchases using Bitcoin. He said, we're concerned about rapidly increasing the use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions.
The reason behind this move was the fact that Bitcoin is far too energy intensive and costly for the planet's environment. A company like Tesla, with such a strong focus on the health of the planet, cannot endorse such an energy inefficient payment method like Bitcoin. Cardano does not use the Bitcoin proof of work method, but rather the Ethereum proof of stake concept. However, Ethereum maintains exceptionally high transaction fees and lengthy processing times. This is heavily against retail investors and personal users in favor of larger companies and projects. As Elon Musk and Tesla potentially seek a future crypto asset to adopt with a smaller energy footprint, could Cardano perhaps be the blockchain protocol of choice to lead the largest electric vehicle manufacturer into the future? $1,000 share price is easily within the grasp for the team at Cardano. Should you be able to purchase Tesla vehicles with it? Another brilliant feature of the Cardano project is the fact that it has enabled the execution of smart contracts and other decentralized applications, or dApps, to be run throughout the blockchain. Smart contracts were a revolutionary new concept that locked both time and assets together. Heavily adopted through Ethereum 2.0, this opened the floodgates to a number of traditional financial instruments and dApps to be integrated into the crypto space. The team at Cardano has definitely realized that 2021 is the perfect time for them to strike, and is definitely planning on capitalizing on all this buzz. The team's been making countless intelligent moves in terms of both business strategy and raw technology. As to whether this shall result in the mythical $1,000 trading price, that remains to be seen. The buzz around Cardano has definitely reached the mainstream, as a billionaire entrepreneur and investor, Mark Cuban, actually approached one of the lead developers behind Cardano in order to clarify some doubts. Cuban asked about the use cases of Cardano. What functions can it actually serve? A lot was revealed. It turns out that the team at Cardano has actually rebuilt the entire smart contract model. Innovating on the already brilliant idea, Cardano is clearly not afraid to learn from the greats and build something even greater. Mark Cuban later went on to state that ultimately it comes down to utility and marketing, and indicated that he was eagerly looking forward to more projects of the Cardano blockchain protocol. Cardano responded with the benefits of the project in comparison to some serious failings and oversights of Ethereum. Right now, Cardano sits as the fourth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. It has been reported that this position is set to rise as many in the DeFi world predict a market capitalization in excess of $200 billion. There clearly exists a lot of faith and support across the crypto community in the Cardano offering. Currently, Cardano is returning long-term and stable return earnings. Compared to some of the more volatile projects in the crypto space, Cardano is surprisingly calm. This is exactly the kind of performance a future blockchain leader should strive for. This long-term mentality is reflected through the ideals of the project as well. Slowly attracting more and more investors, an increasing amount of financial institutions are also reporting that Cardano should be kept under observation. The Nasdaq exchange has actually made mention of Cardano, and Coinbase, one of the largest and most influential crypto exchanges on the planet, has started accepting Cardano. Unfortunately, the greatest weakness of Cardano is the lack of focus on marketing and influential presence. Compared to many altcoins and meme coins with a very heavy focus on influencers and marketing strategy, Litecoin, for example, is choosing to finance charity runs and maintain a healthy media presence. Cardano's not focused on this at all. Choosing to donate to universities to further research and development is certainly an admirable decision, but many mainstream investors have no idea about this exciting crypto asset that could potentially see 1,000 times growth. However, one cannot argue the implementation and usage of the blockchain. Cardano has certainly come a long way, both as a platform and as a company. The project has seen an increasing amount of strategic partnerships across the recent years that are a clear indicator for the currency's bright future. In 2017, the team funded and donated to multiple ventures looking to further research and development in the field of blockchain technology, as well as the establishment of blockchain technology laboratories. In 2019, Cardano was one of the selected alternatives utilized to build a credential verification system for the state of Georgia, approved for and signed in a memorandum through the Ministry of Education. New Balance, the footwear manufacturer, also announced a pilot program in 2019. utilizing the Cardano blockchain in order to track the authenticity of its latest basketball shoe. The Ethiopian government announced a partnership with the Cardano project in 2018 in order to deploy their technology across a wide variety of industries around the country. In 2021, these plans were updated with the Ethiopian Ministry of Education to launch an identity and record-keeping system through Cardano for Ethiopian students. Clearly, Cardano has been making some very intelligent decisions as of late. With updated technology in relation to both Bitcoin and Ethereum, the offering is certainly in a very advantageous position right now. Currently trading at around $1.40 per coin, perhaps the rumor of $1,000 per coin can be considered far-fetched right now. However, the world of crypto is certainly very unpredictable and extremely volatile, with Tesla searching for a new crypto asset to support, and with Bitcoin too overvalued and Ethereum too costly for retail financiers. It definitely seems as though Cardano investors could see this 1,000 times growth across 2021. Thanks for watching, and while you're here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen.